Hi everyone, it's Jill Kennedy with Navitor, just in case you didn't already figure that out. I'm here, I want to invite you to a special edition of our workshop series. So on Wednesday, September 9th at 10 a.m. Central, we are hosting some industry leaders for a discussion on what we're seeing in the marketplace. So we will have Matt Bruno, who's Executive Vice President of PSDA. We have Nikki Stella, who is CEO of AIM, and we'll have Darren Painter, who is editor-in-chief of PS Magazine. And they'll be here to share their expertise and their knowledge on the marketplace, what we're seeing for trends, what we'll see going forward, where we've been, where we are now, and how we can plan for the future. So it's going to be a really great one, and I don't want you to miss it. So just click on the registration button. You'll be able to add a question you might like us to ask our panelists. Just fill out that registration to reserve your spot, and you'll be good to go. You don't want to miss it. So again, that is on Wednesday, September 9th at 10 a.m. Central. Join us and let's all learn from each other. I hope to see you there.